Hey, today is 30th September. What we're going to do here is to build a mesh along the curve that we want through making a mesh and making grasshopper. Okay. First, we want to create a mesh and click on grasshopper mesh. Create a mesh pane, and from here you can see that the mesh is created, and you can pick it, and you can see that the lines here. This is the mesh that the dimension is 10 to 10 for the x-axis and 10 for the y-axis. So we have a mesh here. We want to drag the points from the mesh, and that's where the points are. And from the mesh we want to create the faces of the mesh. Yep. So now you can see this mesh with 10 is to 10, and if we change this value to 3, it will update automatically on the Rhino. Now we would like to show how draw the curve on the front view. Select curve line, just randomly draw some lines, enter, and must be careful that the line that you draw is compatible with the mesh number that you created just now, which is 3. So if you look at the plan view later, you will see that there are 4 lines here, and that's why we draw 4 curves here. Move them to position. Okay. Yep. And we want to define our curve with this parameter grasshopper. Now parameter curve, and we select multi-curve, and these are the curve that we have here. Now if we want to divide the curve into these sectors that we have, we use curve and curve divide. You can see that this is asking for a curved line, and once we plug this in, the curve are divided into the number of sector here, which is 10. Yep. And what we want to do is to mesh this map this mesh to this curve here. How we can do is we take the point of this mesh. Okay, what you see now here is negative demonstration. What we can do is change this to 10. This to 3. It should be alright. Oh. This is probably due to the wrong sequencing. Yep. You can see that the sequence of putting the lines are very important, and when I draw and select the line, what happens is the mesh will also ultimately relate to curve 1, curve 2, curve 3 and curve 4, and hence it's quite important that we join in sequence and map it. Yep, that's all.